when they hating on you, you can't move in silence. Cause even when you move in silence, you still make noise. Meaning that no matter what I do, motherfucking bitches, you still watching me. No matter what I do, you still looking at me. No matter if I block you off my Facebook page, you gonna make another fake page and you gonna look at me. Not only that, when that don't work, bitch, you gonna go for your homegirl page to look at me. Or you gonna have one of your homegirls to send me a friend request to see what I'm doing. But bitch, my shit is like motherfucking a prostitute on Ridgewood or a prostitute on the motherfucking Stroll. My page is open and it's not private. 24 hours, 7 days a week. Bitch, ain't going nowhere. Ain't going nowhere until my casket motherfucking drop. And you hoes gonna still talk about me. And them hoes still gonna talk about you. That same bitch that's talking about you gonna still hate on you. So you tell them hoes, it ain't gonna stop until my casket drop. And y'all remember that. If you got a hoe, or you know you got bitches that be around you every day, and you know they jealous of you cause it's called a woman intuition. You can talk to your homegirl and you can feel jealousy. It's woman intuition. You can talk to your cousin and you know it's jealousy. You can feel it's called a woman intuition. But you just go today. Make it, do it today. Don't wait till tomorrow. Do it today and put on your status. It ain't gonna stop until my casket drop, and you hoes still gonna hate after my casket drop. And what I mean by that is, listen, God already showed me my repast. God already showed me my funeral. I'ma have hoes that walk up to my casket and just look, knowing you wasn't really my friend. I'ma have hoes that gonna be like, oh man, I ain't like this bitch. I can't stand this bitch here. But she was alright. Or you gonna have my so-called friends. They gonna be like, oh, you know Felicia Diva who do the Facebook Live videos. You know this chick. You know this bitch. Oh, God bless her dad. You knew this hoe. Listen, they gonna be like, they gonna tell her, put some respect on your shit cause you dead, but they gonna still be talking about you. But they gonna try to put some respect on your shit, talk about God bless the dead, but did you know this bitch? I can't stand this bitch for God bless the dead, but guess what? There gonna be so many God bless the dead, I can't stand this bitch until I'ma jump out my casket and I'm gonna say, yeah bitch, God bless the dead, and guess what, ho? I'm still a threat to you pussy ass ho. I'm still a threat to you pussy ass nigga. I'm dead and gone in my motherfucking grave. Bitch, let me sleep. I'm rolling in my grave cause you still worried about a dead bitch. Ho, I'm still a threat. And when it all boiled down, I still won, bitch. Shut this video.